What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you a virtual land that I just bought, and I'm really happy because I've been waiting for this for a couple of weeks, and it's a sandbox project. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the map on the sandbox project. As you can see, there's been a couple pre-sales, and the last pre-sale, it was sold out. It was this area, and there's big companies that have been establishing here, like Binance, Atari, known as a big gaming company, the Roller Coaster Tycoon, and many more. And my piece of land is this one right here. It's very small. It's actually an estate, and it's composed of 9 pieces of land, so a 3x3. And one piece of land is 96 by 96 meters, so that's pretty big, because sandbox, it's like more game oriented. If you compare it to Decentraland, one land, it's around like 16 by 16 big, so that's pretty small actually. And you can't, I mean, maybe you can build a game, but it's not for a game, right? And right here on sandbox, it's gonna be more game oriented, so that's pretty cool. I'm very excited. They also have their marketplace when that you can buy any design right here and put it in your land to start any game, and maybe give tokens to your users that complete the story mode. Maybe, I have no idea. They haven't uploaded any game that you're able to play. You can also stake sand to make money. Sand is a token they use so that you can buy land, like Mana on Decentraland, but right here is sand, and I think that's pretty cool. They have a ton of partnerships. That's why I'm so excited. Let's see if we can see some of them. Atari, Animoca Brands, Square Enix, Care Bears, and Roller Coaster Tycoon, and Shaun the Sheep, and many more. So that's pretty cool. They even have a roadmap, and they tell you what is expected to happen in the next couple years. So right now, let's see, it's 2020. So land public release, that already happened. Voxedit. You can also download the software and start creating your own characters, and let me show you right here on create. So you can start designing your characters and animating them. You can't upload them to your land, but you will be able in a couple of months, so that you can start building your games, and I think that's pretty nice. And also they have a software so that you can start making your own games, so that you're ready when this goes live. You can just upload them, and your land will have a lot of people playing there. A good thing is that you're able to import your designs on Minecraft to this platform. Maybe you don't like Minecraft, but there's thousands of players, hundreds of thousands of players that really love Minecraft. Yeah, most of them are gonna be kids, but there's really cool designs in Minecraft that you're gonna be able to just move from Minecraft to the sandbox project. So that's gonna be really nice and really easy to develop a game, because you can just move your designs to one place from another. There's a lot of NFTs. You can be creating NFTs and selling them and make money. Maybe you can start a career making NFTs from now on. And I think I've seen a lot of people that have make a really good living out of selling NFTs, and that's good. Congrats to them. One of the best features of virtual land right here is that you own the stuff in the game. If you're interested in acquiring land, you can pre-register for the next pre-sale, and it's probably gonna be around November 30. I'm already pre-registered because I want to buy more. I'm really excited about this project. I've been waiting weeks to be able to buy some land, and there's people selling lands for crazy prices. Let me show you the prices right here. These are the lands that I have. Let's look here, sandbox. I've seen people trying to sell their 3x3 estates for like 150 Ethereums. That's, I don't know, that's just mind-blowing to me. Let's take a look. I'm just going to put the most expensive ones, the highest last sale. So somebody already bought these lands. Okay, so 18 land state attached to Atari Roller Coaster Tycoon. The last price sold, it was 85 Ethereum. To me, that's just crazy. And let's take a look to what is the location of this land. 153 minus 6. Let's open up the map. Okay, so I found it. 153 minus 6. So it's this state. This state, it's 18 pieces of land next to the big gaming company Roller Coaster Tycoon World. And this piece of land, it got sold for 85 Ethereums. That's crazy. And if somebody's bought it for 85 Ethereums, they're probably going to sell it for way more than that. So prices right now are just crazy. The next pre-sale, I'm gonna leave a link down below to what the prices are gonna be, or I'm just gonna put an image here. It's gonna be cheap, but the hard thing here is that since there are a lot of users at that time, the land is gonna sell fast. And I have a friend that has been buying on the pre-sales. He said the land goes very, very fast. Like, you have to click it and you press the button buy, and then you have 2 minutes to complete the transactions, or else it's just gonna go out of your cart and then you have to click it again. And yeah, I imagine there's a lot of people just waiting to click some land, some special land, and just buying it right away, and then for the next one, for the next one, and for the next one. So you gotta be really fast. But I'm super excited. I'm gonna be on the pre-sale, and if I don't go live when the pre-sale comes out, I'm probably just gonna record it and upload it to YouTube. So subscribe if you want any updates. And yeah, this is gonna be the land on the next pre-sale. It's gonna be pretty big, and they are planning to sell everything, every pixel right here. They're gonna end up selling it, but they're just selling it in groups of land, just maybe to make more profit and hopefully make this game way better. So that's gonna be it for the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. I will appreciate it a lot, and subscribe for more. And as always, thank you for watching.
Trapping out the bandos.